Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open a Commerce Bank account online. First, go to Commerce Bank website and choose the account type that suits your needs, like a current account. Next, fill out the online application with your personal details and upload required documents such as your passport, proof of address, and income proof if needed. Verify your identity using video identification or post identification. Once approved, you'll receive your login details and can start using your account immediately. And that's it. Opening a Commerce Bank account online is simple and fast. And that's how to open a Commerce Bank account online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.